So I have a circular loop here with some current passing through it. We know that this current causes a magnetic field around the loop. So here, since the current is in the clockwise direction through the right hand thumb rule, we can see that the magnetic field follows the direction in which your fingers curl. Also, at the center, the magnetic field of each section of the loop is into the loop. Or if I just turn the loop sideways, the magnetic field looks like this. Now, if I add another loop and join it to this loop so that the current flows in the same direction, we see a similar magnetic field forming around this loop as well. Also, these magnetic fields start interacting with each other and at a few places combine as well. Now, if we have multiple loops connected to each other with the same current flowing through all of them, the magnetic field of these loops combine together and in the end look something like this. Now, this structure with multiple coils joined together is what we call a solenoid. Here, because of the addition of the magnetic fields of all loops at the center, we get a strong magnetic field at the center. Also, on the outside, we have closed loops of magnetic field lines. Now, don't these lines remind you of a bar magnet that has a south pole on that side and its north pole here? And the magnetic field inside the magnet going from the south pole to the north pole? Even all the magnetic field lines on the outside are similar. Thus, a current carrying solenoid behaves like a bar magnet having a south pole and a north pole and a strong magnetic field at the center. Also, the north pole and the south pole are decided by the direction of current. If you reverse the direction of current, the position of the poles will also reverse. Why? Because if you use the right hand rule again and curl your fingers along the new direction of current around any one of the loops, then the magnetic field at the center will be in the opposite direction, giving the new south and the new north pole. So friends, in this video we learned about what is a solenoid. We also discussed the magnetic field in the solenoid and how a current carrying solenoid is similar to a bar magnet. Till next time, happy learning.